Welcome to the best picks. The best front tires is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of tractor performance, but trust me, it's a game changer. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of front tires, specifically for your John Deere. We'll explore why the right tires are essential for traction, stability, and overall productivity, helping you make informed decisions and get the most out of your machine. Number 5. Marastar 21425 Lawn Mower Tire and Wheel Assembly. Are you looking for a replacement tire and wheel assembly for your riding mower? This is a 2-pack of high-quality assemblies. They are designed for easy installation and long-lasting performance. This assembly is compatible with 100 and 300 series John Deere riding mowers. It's a direct replacement for your front tires. This makes it a convenient and reliable solution. The tire features a multi-track tread for excellent stability and traction. It's built with a 4-ply rating and contractor-grade bushings. This ensures it can withstand various conditions. The multi-track tread provides professional-grade performance. It offers contoured shoulder protection and deep lugs. This design enhances both stability and traction. This assembly is designed for easy installation. It comes as a 2-pack, offering a low-cost and low-hassle solution. You can quickly get your mower back in action. What we like. This tire features a multi-track tread, providing excellent stability and traction. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance in any condition. If you are looking for a reliable tire that can handle various terrains, this is the perfect choice. It's an easy install solution, making it a great option for those who want a hassle-free replacement. What people say. They supplied extra washers of different thickness to aid in the remounting. They have grease fittings on the hub so you can keep it lubricated, unlike the JD original equipment wheels. These came with the spacers and new E-clips. Bonus. Number 4. AR Pro John Deere Riding Mower Front Tire. Introducing the AR Pro front tire and wheel assemblies, designed as an exact replacement. They are pre-assembled to save you time and money, fitting perfectly on your John Deere riding mower. These tires are specifically designed for the 100, D100, E100, L100, LA100, LT, and STX series John Deere riding mowers. Before purchasing, make sure to check the sidewall of your existing tires for the correct size. The assembly features a 3-inch centered hub and 3 4-inch diameter bushings. It's also compatible with other brands and models, so check your mower specifications to ensure a perfect fit. Each tire and wheel assembly can handle up to 400 pounds. These 4-ply tires are made from premium rubber, ensuring durability and reliability in all seasons. The turf tire treads minimize damage on grass and sensitive surfaces. They provide improved traction and maneuverability compared to standard tires, making it easier to navigate your lawn. What we like. This tire is an exact replacement, saving you time and money. The turf tire tread minimizes surface disturbance, perfect for maintaining a pristine lawn. If you have a lawn that requires a gentle touch, this tire is designed for you. The 400 pounds load rating is great for carrying relatively heavy loads. What people say. The tires were exactly what I needed. The tires arrived quickly and were exactly as described. Great tires for my John Deere tractor. Number 3. Marastar 15X 6.00-6 tire and wheel assembly for John Deere. This is a Marastar 15X 6.00-6 pneumatic tire and wheel assembly. It's designed as an OEM-like replacement. It is compatible with John Deere mowers. The tire features a 15X 6.00-6 tube-type turf saver tread with a 4-ply rating. Always check your existing tire's sidewall for confirmation. The wheel is made of solid yellow steel with a 3-inch offset hub and 3 4-inch sintered iron bushings. This design ensures durability and stability. This tire has a load capacity of 400 pounds and is not for highway speeds. It's a great replacement for your John Deere front mower tires. This offers a low-hassle, low-cost solution for repairing or replacing your mower tires. Be sure to check your existing tire's sidewall and measurements before purchasing. To ensure a perfect fit, please refer to the images provided to learn how to measure your tire. This will help you make the right choice. What we like. This tire features a turf saver tread, designed to protect your lawn while providing excellent traction. The 3-inch offset hub ensures a perfect fit for your John Deere mower. If you like a tire that combines performance with lawn care, this is the one. The 4PR tube-type tire is a low-cost solution to repair or replace your mower tires. What people say. It fit right on and works fine and cost less than a real John Deere replacement. These tires were a gem to put on our John Deere 110 series lawn tractor mower. Fit to a T. Product was exactly as described and matched my tire that had a hole in it on my John Deere. It even came with replacement spacers and a pin to lock the wheel in place. Number 2. 15x 6.00-6 lawn mower tires for Craftsman John Deere. Tired of a bumpy ride? These 15x 6.00-6 tires are the perfect replacement for your lawn mower. They're designed to provide a smooth and stable experience. These tires fit a wide range of riding mowers, including Craftsman, John Deere, and Cub Cadet. Make sure to check your existing tire size before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. Made from high-quality, 4-ply tubeless rubber, this tire is built to withstand the rigors of lawn care. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. The tire has a 15-inch diameter, 6-inch width, and a 3-inch offset hub. It also features a 3/4-inch bushing size and a load capacity of 570 pounds. Remember, it's not for highway use. Installation is straightforward, but remember to check your mower's specifications first. Ensure the axle is assembled with bushings and properly lubricated with grease for optimal performance. We stand behind the quality of our product. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us. We are always here to help. What we like. This tire has a high load capacity, making it suitable for heavier duty tasks. The 3-offset hub ensures a proper fit, and the 4-ply tubeless design provides durability. If you are looking for a tire that can handle more demanding jobs, this is the one for you. It's a reliable choice for various lawn mower models. What people say. The fit was perfect, and installation was quick and hassle-free. These wheels are clearly built to last, with sturdy construction and high-quality materials that can handle the rigors of regular use. The tires provide excellent traction, which has been especially helpful when maneuvering over uneven terrain or dealing with wet grass. Number 1. Antego ATW 003 15x 6.00-6 lawn mower tires. Introducing the Antego ATW 003 lawn mower tires. These tires feature a 4-ply, tubeless design. It offers excellent durability and resistance to punctures. The assembly includes a 6x4.5 wheel in John Deere yellow. It features 0.75 precision ball bearings. This ensures smooth and reliable performance. These tires have a tire OD of 14.96 and a tire SW of 6.3. They have a maximum load capacity of 570 pounds. The recommended PSI is 30, providing excellent stability. This tire assembly replaces John Deere part #GY20638 and AM127303. It offers a perfect fit for your John Deere lawnmower, ensuring easy installation and reliable operation. Designed for Series 100 and 300 models, including LT150, LT160, and more. However, it will not fit on trailers or carts. These tires are designed to fit John Deere, Cub Cadet, Craftsman, and other major brands. It ensures a perfect fit for your lawn tractor. What we like. This tire features a 4-ply tubeless design for excellent durability and puncture resistance. It is equipped with precision ball bearings for smooth and reliable performance. If you are looking for a tire that offers both durability and a smooth ride, consider this. It's a perfect fit for your John Deere lawnmower. What people say. These look and feel like good quality tires. I really like the design with the bearings and they fit well on the shaft. Brand new tires and rims with tires already filled with air and ready out of the box to install made the job so much easier, fitting my John Deere D130 perfectly. The tread is aggressive and a little bit different than the factory tires, but they've worked out great so far. Takes a little bit of dead blow hammer work to pop them back on, but they are a nice fit once installed. Simple process. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.